Hi, I'm Mike, and welcome to a Motivation USA brief unboxing where you can buy anything, everything premium for your motorcycle. But before we go any further, shout out to the gang at Motivation USA for blessing your boy with the official paddock shirt that they're wearing through Moto America, and Kyle Wyman's camp. Really dope, loving the shirt. But let's dive into the video. In this video, I'm gonna be doing something a little bit different to the Ducati Streetfighter V4S. I usually keep my passenger pegs on my bike just in case if I have a passenger, meaning my wife, but she's not rocking with me at the moment, just at the moment. So I'm actually gonna do a rear passenger peg delete by Evotech Performance, the only place to shop for Evotech. You guys know the deal. Motivation USA, all links will be down in the description. And what's really interesting about the rear passenger peg delete, it serves a dual purpose. It is really dope. It removes the passenger pegs, gives the bike a very streamlined look. At the same time, it protects part of the Ducati Streetfighter V4S tank. For you guys that are unaware, the gas tank for the Streetfighter goes from the very top all the way to the bottom of the seat. So when you're riding, debris, pebbles can hit the bottom. You'll see the bottom of where you're sitting on the Ducati Streetfighter V4S, it is red. That is partial of the gas tank. Any dings or dents are here to stay. So I'm gonna take the precaution by protecting that a little bit and removing the passenger pegs. It's killing two birds with one stone and streamlining the look of the bike. Starting off with this project, which I always recommend, is to do research, and Evotech Performance and the team at Motivation USA tend to make things very easy when it comes to approaching an installation that you might not be used to, or maybe it's a brand new bike, giving you the confidence you need to actually tackle that. Of course, Evotech has a diagram and instruction and torque specs for you to install the product. However, I ran into a slight issue. Removing the left side passenger peg was a pretty much 1-2 job, came right off. The right side of the bike, the heat shield for the exhaust kind of hinders getting in there with either a hex key to turn it and then taking it off. The first screw can come off fairly easy. I loosened all the bolts for the actual exhaust coiling below the seat, just to kind of shift it a little bit slightly over, and then inch an L key, a very small L key, and treacherously just kind of go through it. It was very tedious. I didn't want to scuff the bottom of the bike, and I was just taking my time. So be warned that that side of the bike might take a little bit longer than usual. As recommended, use your parts purchase to support the store that support your sport. Motivation USA gives back to the riding community with everything from safety seminar courses and worldwide racing sponsorships. For the most trusted parts and accessories, shop MotovationUSA.com. All links will be in the description down below. And remember, ride safe and ride often. Freaking love this shirt, man. So dope.